at the DJI Neo drone that relies a lot on AI and makes it very easy for beginners. All we do is to do the unboxing now, and then later we step out into the field to test it. Okay. So that's the drone itself, spare propellers, the manual, and then the charging case for the batteries. Here we go. That's it. And this is big enough for just the palm. As you can see when we go out on the field to try it, most of the operation will start from just having the drone take off and land in the palm of your hand. This DJI Neo is a very versatile drone. There are so many ways that you can use these, all without using a controller. You don't even have to use a mobile phone. All you need is just this one. You already would have selected the mode. You let the camera face you. You press and hold the button on top. 2 seconds, it takes off. So if it's in follow mode, what happens is as I'm walking, it follows from behind. Whichever direction I goes, it follows. When I want it to stop following, I can stop, turn around, and just put my hand out. Right and direct, there are 2 sensors below, and it lands. Then we have the tracking. The drone will be facing me or facing you, and as you are coming along, then it keeps going back and taking the shot. Okay, so let's go out there and give it a try. You will see how simple it is to use. So if you are really keen on using drones and you don't want anything complicated, something that is AI enabled and it's quick and easy to use and it's not that expensive, I think that you can start with the DJI Neo. I'll put the link in the comment section or in the description, and you can click and it takes you directly to how to purchase that.